Honestly, I'm sick and tired of seeing the updates, to the point where I'm actually nervous when an app sends me notification that a new update is available. Why? Because the possibility is that this new update will have new ways to disable free features and ask me now to pay for them. From smartphones to washers to TVs, and across software apps and games, this trend is everywhere now. How did this happen, and how did we get here? Back in 2000s, new updates used to feel so fresh. The brand new crisp interface, mouth-dropping features which really forces you to update or upgrade. I still remember the feeling I had my first iPhone 3GS. I was super happy with it, but then came iPhone 4. The beautiful brand new design with 3.5mm jack to directly plug my headphone. A super cool fingerprint reader to unlock the phone, and being the smallest smartphone was everything I loved about the iPhone. How obvious it is for users like us to not upgrade, right? Or the PlayStation when it launched with a built-in hard drive. And now you didn't have to completely depend on keeping those game DVDs, as you could simply upload all your games to the hard drive. That was a time when technology updates used to feel really rewarding. Like how we used to love the GTA 2 even with boring graphics. And how the world went crazy when GTA San Andreas or GTA 5 launched. Even though it took 10 years, but it felt worth the wait. And here we are now, where every new update feels like a tiny lazy step in the grand scheme of things. iPhone 17 Pro is here, and guess what? There is a brand new panel at the back that didn't exist before. It's there for a very obvious reason. Because it's such a luxury to show off that you have the latest iPhone, they want no confusion when a proud loyal user is spotted with one. That yes, I am holding the latest iPhone. Yeah, definitely, that feels like worth the work of $1 billion company for an entire year. If we did this poorly on our day jobs, we would be fired by now. The other day, I opened Candy Crush. Yeah, I enjoy playing games on my offline plane rides. And I hadn't updated it in the last 3 years. I finally decided to give it a shot, and guess what? Instant regret. The app literally kept asking me to buy more lives 3 times back to back. I'm like, come on, if I really need the lives so bad, I will find the option to purchase it. You don't have to keep throwing it in my face. And just at that thought, another notification saying, here, pay us $5 and you can have unlimited lives for 15 minutes. What a ruined experience of such a great game. It's moments like these that have made me disable automatic updates to all the apps. The last thing I want is to be surprised that some feature is removed and is now a paid feature to be accessed. Or even worse, if you already had an existing paid plan, but now that feature has moved to a brand new higher tier plan. Before you think that's rare, it's now happening more often than you'd think. Like for example, our favorite creative software, Adobe Photoshop, where you might have purchased a lifetime license in another life, but now it's gone. It's gone in the greed of recurring revenue. It's lost in the noise of subscriptions. That money is totally wasted, and companies like Adobe deny any kind of reversal of giving the license back. If you disagree with me, give me the name of the app update that last excited you. Even productivity apps like the Cam Scanner that helps you keep documents. I made the terrible mistake of upgrading, and you can now guess where I landed. With back-to-back advertisements. Just to view my own saved documents on my own phone, I have to now wait for 1 to 2 advertisements to end before I can see them. And I'm talking about the most basic feature of just opening the file. If you thought that was only the struggling small companies, not quite true. Gmail will keep sending you notifications to force you to buy additional storage as soon as you reach 80% capacity. It will keep sending you those notifications to keep annoying you until you give in. Same is the case with Apple iCloud. The whole interface is made purposely complicated so that it won't help you find what's taking all the storage on your iPhone, but no, keep paying us and purchasing more storage. The worst part is that it's now so obvious and in your face. It's not even a clever marketing trick anymore. The latest is the AI revolution, and if you go out to the stores, you can now find everything AI powered. from smartphones to AI-powered washers. The first time I heard about an AI-powered washer, it left me confused. What exactly is an AI in a washer? One salesman told me that it can regulate the temperature inside the washer, making sure whatever temperature was started is maintained. And I'm like, haven't washers been doing that for almost a decade now? But no, throw away your old washer, embrace this brand new one because it comes with a new sticker that says AI powered, because most of the other things inside are still the same. I know we have reached a point where most companies just want to get richer by doing the least minimum. Part of me wants to go back to childhood when the shiny things made sense, when there was excitement in unboxing something new, when that app or game or phone made your eyes twinkle with amazement. Not the lame updates that mean nothing today and are just money-grabbing moves. Call me a cynic, but I think we were made better than that. When things get stalled, we don't get lazy, we get creative. But that's mostly missing. We need to go back to basics and find better ways to deal with things. We are much better than this. Let me know how you feel about it. Am I the only person who feels this way, or more of you have started feeling this lately? If you like this breakdown, please subscribe to have more voices like us out there. Thanks for watching.